Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt of Sunshine State RVs.
What's up, Hank? How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm wonderful.
I feel like I haven't seen you in a while.
It has been a little bit.
I've been on the road. My hair's, forgive the hair. I'm looking like a wolf man right now.
Yes, yes, you are.
Yeah, but I am back in Gainesville. And you've got something really cool from Midwest Automotive Design here.
I mean, this is cool. So a buddy of mine called me and he said he wants something fully customized that looked like nothing on the outside, but once you got inside, it looked like something super high-end, super luxurious, and very customized. So
okay, very cool. I mean, it still is a Sprinter van, a 170 extended.
It's a Luxe Cruiser. It's just all black wheels, black body.
Yeah.
Nothing. It just looks like a cargo
just
van.
black on black on black on black.
Black on black on black. But then when you open the doors,
let's see,
power door. When you come in here,
look at that.
This is probably the most customized.
This is a very
Luxe
nice color.
Cruiser on the market.
So, what color is
this?
So
this is
cool.
Hermes orange.
Oh, nice. Yes, that makes sense to me now.
Yeah. So he took a picture of one of the
Very
Hermes
cool.
boxes, and we sent it to Ron at Midwest and said, "This is the color that we want on the Luxe Cruiser."
Is this friend of yours a rapper?
A rock star.
He's a rock star.
Well, I'm not allowed to say any names. I had to
Oh.
sign an NDA.
Okay, cool.
But what is awesome
Sweet.
was we just got this in about 2 hours ago. Hank, you came up and we're doing a video on something totally different today.
Yes.
But then you saw this and you're like, dude, we got
to do a video on it. Look at this. By the way, I only seen this kind of thing in the factory. This is me. There's a little slot. It's like a little limo slot.
That's where they pass you the gray poupon back and forth.
That's right. Yeah. You know, and then this way you can actually, there's probably glass here or a partition that goes up.
Partition.
So you can say, mind your business. What happens back here stays back here.
There you go.
Very nice. But so
you got driver, and they also customize the driver and passenger.
I'm trying to get that through the slot. Here we go. So you guys can see.
All of the high-end luxury stuff that Midwest does, they did in the front. You got a nice big, what is this, a 60-inch TV? You have 2 seats that are facing the back. Here, nice big, and they all have desks on them, so you can obviously you can work.
So you know, someone was asking me. We did something MD4, and they were like, if you're sitting in these seats, it's pretty. I can very easily see the TV.
Very easily.
But I guess you can recline back if you want, right?
But well, not only recline, Hank. You can also have.
Oh, look at you! This is
leg
this
rest.
is too fancy for you, man.
This is way too fancy. And then this also comes back here. Look at that.
That is awesome.
So this is just like the private jet.
And so if you had to sit here for a while, I don't know where my switches are, but
so there's that.
There we go. Oh, the legs coming out. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, yeah.
Do this one.
Now go. Oh, that's it. And you need a. By the way, if you're really doing this in class and style and savoir faire, you have your butler adjust your seat for you because. Too much. Are
you saying I'm your butler? Is that what you're saying?
It's too much. You wouldn't buttle for Hank Strange.
I would not buttle. Is that the verb?
I don't know.
Is buttle what butlers do?
Seriously, you would not buttle for me.
So how cool is this, right? You
that is cool.
You can work out of it. You can relax in it. Then, if you do get tired or you have kids that need more space,
this is crazy.
You can come back here. Let's lift this up so we can show a little more.
Yeah. But so that person asking about the recline, you can recline.
There are 4 seat belts back here. There's 4 seat belts there. So you have 8 seat belts here. And then this here lays flat.
Yeah. Like you can make that into a nice little bed.
And this one here also lays flat.
There you go.
Very easily. And then
bada bing, bada
here
boom.
you go. Now you have a little bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of space.
You know, if you're a basketball player, you might have to,
We did sell one of these to Steph Curry.
Yeah, so you would have to probably customize.
The guy who bought this is way cooler than Steph Curry.
Oh, interesting. I know more about music than I do about sports, so. And then there still is a bathroom in this.
Yep, so that's what I'll show next.
Yep.
There's also, Midwest does some great stuff like Starlink is on here. All of these shades are power, so you press.
Oh, cool.
You press here, and then the shades we can lower.
Yeah, nice.
We can lower every shade.
Nice.
Or we can do it independently, depending on what you want.
These limo vans are awesome, man.
You can also, check this out, you can change the color of this, so we can go.
Can you go orange?
Let's see.
I don't know if we can go.
never actually changed the color before.
Yeah, yeah. But I know it can be done. I know it can be done. But this is cool. I like the tables come out. I don't know if they come out on that back there, but there is power even right there. You can see power. You can plug stuff on. All of these you could plug in, control the heat. Very, very nice.
Oh, there's a subwoofer in here. Mm-hmm. There's a nice big Alpine subwoofer. Let's see if you can see it.
Yeah.
There's a box and a subwoofer there.
These seats are all, massaging seats.
You have hot water.
I could feel it on this seat. The massaging is on.
Yep. They have massage. They have 110 plugs.
Yeah.
There's a TV in the door here. Mm-hmm. This also has the air ride control. It does have some storage up here. Some of these have storage, some don't.
Okay.
Some just have nothing there. I like the ones with storage. You do have more Alpine speakers here and here, 2 in the front and the sub. So you have an entire Alpine stereo. Oh, and up here.
Okay.
So you have an entire Alpine stereo in here, 2 TVs.
So let's say like ASAP Rocky or something is watching this and he wants one of these, but he's worried about the like what it's going to cost because, he doesn't want to have to ask Rihanna to pay for it. What are these things? I know that's a long way.
That is a long way.
To get where I'm going. But
so these things cost about the same thing or a little more than a fully loaded, maxed out Escalade today.
Okay, cool.
So, I mean, you can get
it really depends on what you're doing, right? Like if you're going to do a custom color like
with air ride
and
start it. Yeah. It's obviously going to, power shade's obviously going to be a little more. If, black
and you could have it not look normal on the outside. You can make it look really nice on the outside, whatever you want.
Lots of different options, but I would say anywhere from 160 to 220.
Okay. Yeah.
Ish.
Yeah. Let me come around this way.
Okay.
I want to see the bathroom. Woo. Yeah. There you go.
So this is the bathroom. So what's nice is you have a toilet. Mm-hmm. Then you have a Nova Cool fridge and freezer.
Cool.
And then you have a sink here. Yep. Hot and cold water.
So your chef can come back here and then you chop up something.
have a microwave. Your chef can come back here.
Right.
110 plug there. Storage here. This is all of your, you do have a 2,000 watt inverter. All of your other
nice. And people always ask about the toilet, right? So this is a Thetford. Is this like a cassette toilet? No, not a cassette.
This is a flush.
It's got a black tank. So people always ask about why the toilet, and I don't think you don't have to use it if you don't want to.
You do not. So some people don't even get toilets on these.
Yeah.
But there is over there in that little compartment, there is a black. There's a hose to dump it. Yeah. It does have air ride. I don't know if you saw, it just went up and down. So it does have air ride, which makes it a much more comfortable ride than without it.
Yeah. And also, I think for RVIA, it has to have at least a toilet, I think.
No, Luxe Cruisers can come with toilets, without toilets, all of that.
And then can it still be bought though? Can you get an RV type loan? Oh, sweet. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool.
Towing package is 5,000 pounds. So you can tow a boat, you can tow motorcycles, a trailer, lots of stuff you can tow.
That's really cool.
The option to have an awning is also on it. The option to have, lots of different options on here. This, the power door is nice. But I love how they also dress up the front seat. It's not just the back, but it's the front as well.
So you guys can see your driver will be going in style, and your driver and the passenger, maybe your bodyguard, I guess. You have like an extra bodyguard up here.
Yep.
Yeah, they can have the massage seats also.
Do you sit the bodyguard up here, or do you sit him back here with you to make sure you're really safe?
So I'm always my own bodyguard, kind of.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but sometimes you want to have an extra bodyguard.
That's true.
You know what I mean?
That is true.
Extra security.
Extra security. It's always good to have.
Yeah, you can never have too much.
That is true.
Oh wow, this is really cool though.
Yeah.
But, and this has digital rear view, all that stuff in here. Yeah. Obviously, if you're getting a Sprinter van, you've got the power seats and everything. Yeah, this is cool.
Something else that's cool.
Even your driver is going to have an awesome
time. So it has Firefly everywhere. So there's a Firefly up front. Mm-hmm. There's one control here. So whoever's sitting here can control it. There's another control here. There's a big control in the back. So there's like 4 different Firefly controls. You can Bluetooth your phone to it. So you can play this incredible sound system throughout it. So lots of cool features and options. There's so much in here. We could spend another hour going through it.
I'm glad we saw this because the last time I went to the factory, I saw something like this being made. Yeah. And I thought, man, it would be cool to see what it winds up looking like.
Was it Hermes orange?
No, it was not.
I wonder if they trademarked this color if we're allowed to actually do this.
Yeah, this is This is Hermes orange. Hermes
not
orange.
Hermes. Hermes.
Yeah. No, we don't want to violate any.
We're not violating anything.
Copyrights, trademarks, or any other sanctions. But you can get some nice colors in here.
Like a little fridge. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
You can fill that thing with ice, put some champagne right there.
Yeah.
Some Cristal.
Yeah, that's cool. And you know, I'm a watch guy. Hermes makes a nice watch that has the strap is this color. And, yeah, very nice. So Hank, I don't have one, but
you need that, Hank.
Yeah.
Oh, and
I would get that to go with this van if I got the van.
There's also child restraints in there to where you can put a child seat here.
Yeah.
You can hook them to the safety hooks here.
Very cool.
At least.
Does Midwest take any extra time to do this versus a regular order?
No, they're about 90 days, 90 to 120 days to customize one like this.
Wow, cool.
Pretty impressive, huh?
That's nice.
Yeah.
All right. So let us know who out there, you need this kind of limo. You're taking the kids to the, you're going to the mall.
I have taken my kids to basketball
tournaments,
tournaments,
going to church.
In vans just like this.
Yeah. So, I mean, do it in style.
Why not?
Yeah, there you go.
Go home.
All right, if anyone wants to find out about this, how do they do it, Nick?
SunshineStateRVs.com. We can customize any color you want. Take a picture of it, send it to us, and we will get it done for you.
There you go. All right, we're out of here. See ya. Peace.